If you want to switch from one Thrive Theme Builder companion theme to another, but you're not sure what is gonna happen or how that would look like, then keep on watching. Hi, my name is Hannah with Thrive Themes, and in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what happens when switching from the Ommy theme to the new Quick Theme Builder theme. But first things first, why would you switch from one companion theme to another? Well, the only reason that you should switch from one theme to another is when you like the aesthetics from one theme more than another. So if you look at Quick Theme and you're like, oh my God, I love this theme, I want it on my website, then you should switch from Shapeshift or from Ommy to the Quick theme. But know that all of the themes are running on Thrive Theme Builder. So all of the themes are using the same code. If you've been thinking about switching to Quick because you hope that the code will be more optimized, then I have good news for you. You don't have to switch companion themes. The only thing that you have to do is go into the site speed tab and then run the different optimizations that we have here if you installed Theme Builder a while ago. Because over the year, we've been adding a lot of improvements to help you get a fast loading website, and Quick, just as any other of our companion themes, use these optimization techniques to get really fast. Now, if you still want to switch themes because you really like the design, then keep on watching. So what we'll do is we go from Ommy to the Quick theme, but the things that I'll show you are holding true for any switch of any of our companion themes. So let's have a look at what our website looks like now. So here, as you can see, we have this header, we have the red Ommy color, and then we have a personalized homepage. This is a homepage landing page. And then we have several pages. So we have a blog list. As you can see, this blog list has like these round designs and then this featured blog post. If we go to this blog post, we can see that there is a sidebar here. And if we change to one of the other blog posts, we can see that this is a full width design. So this one has no sidebar. And then we have an about page, which is again a landing page. And we have here a different page. This is a work with us page, and this is a theme page. Now, what is very important to understand is that the things that will change are the things that are related to your theme layout. So things like your blog list, things like your blog post layout, things like the layout of this theme page. What won't change are pages that are landing pages. So your homepage is most likely a landing page, and then your special pages such as a lead generation page, or in this case, even our about page, this is a landing page on our website. Now, if you're not sure whether you're using a landing page or a theme page, there's a fairly easy way to see, and that is if you look here on the Edit with Thrive Architect. So if you go to a page that is a theme page, you will see that it says Edit with Thrive, and that you have the option to either edit with Architect, which is the content of the page, or that you can change the template. So this means that you are using a theme template. Anytime when you see only the Edit with Thrive Architect, so as here on our homepage, it means that you are using a landing page and that this page is not pulling information from the theme template. So let's go to our blog list. As you can see here, this is a theme builder template because it has the little T in front, and because it does not have actual content, it only has elements on there. You can only edit it with Theme Builder. And then if you go to a blog post, you will see again the Edit with Thrive. So this means if you want to change the content of this blog post, you would go into Thrive Architect. If you want to change the template, you'd go into our Theme Builder. So I hope that that made it clear what is dependent on your theme and what will change, and what is independent from your theme and so will stay the same. Now, let's load our new companion theme, shall we? Let's go to our Home tab, and we can either select themes here or manage themes here. And then let's go to Add Theme. Load it from the Thrive Cloud. And then let's pick Quick. All right, now we have the Quick theme loaded in onto our website. But at the moment, if we go back to the front end of our website, nothing has changed yet. Everything is still exactly the same because, as you can see, our active theme here is still Ommi. Now, we could YOLO it in and go to our quick theme and activate, but if you have a live website, you probably want to make sure that even the couple of minutes or the couple of hours you're going to be working and tweaking your website, you don't want people to see a messed up website. So for that, let's activate our coming soon mode. So go into the Thrive dashboard. From here, scroll down, go to coming soon. Let's activate this. And then let's create a new page. Let's call this page coming soon. Add the page. And then edit this with Thrive Architect. Select the landing page. And then choose from one of the pre-designed landing pages here. So for example, under construction, let's apply this template. I'll delete this lead generation form for now. And our website is under construction, so let's save this page. Now, what we just did is we made sure that if anyone tries to access the website, they will see only this page. So let me show you in an incognito browser. Automatically, when somebody tries to go to your website, whether that is your homepage or a blog page or whatever other page on your website, they will see this website under construction. Now, of course, the goal is not to keep this under construction for a long time, but it allows to have a little bit more freedom and feel a little bit less stressed while working on the website. So let's keep this activated. Now we can close this tab with our under construction landing page. And then from our dashboard, we go back to our theme builder dashboard. And you will see this yellow notification here is telling you that you're still in coming soon mode, so that we make sure that we switch this off the moment that we're finished with our website. Now, when you are working on your website, when you are logged in, you're not going to see the coming soon page, so you will be able to work on your website without any problems. All right, let's go to manage themes and then activate our quick theme. Ta-da! All right, let's see what happened on the front end of our website. Did we mess everything up? That's the real question, right? So first of all, let's reload this page. All right, so our homepage, still the same, because remember, a landing page. And then if we go to our blog page, here we can see a big difference. So our header is not our header anymore. And then the layout of this also changed. And when we go to our blog posts, so this also has a completely different layout. But as you can see, the content of the blog post is still there. People can still read the blog. But yeah, there's definitely some work there. The header also not the right header. And then let's see if we go to the blog post that had a sidebar. This now also has the normal template, so the default template applied to it. And what else? Let's go to our pages. So our about page, which was a landing page, so this did not change. And then if we go to our work with us page, as you can see here, the content is all there, but the layout changed and we have this bottom section that wasn't there before. So while the content of the website still very much looks the same, nothing looks too messed up, there's definitely some stuff that we will want to fix. And the easiest way is simply to go through the site wizard again, because this will allow you to pick all of your default templates. So let's start with our logo. So the logo will automatically still be the logo that you had selected. If you created your website a while ago, then you might only have the dark logo and not the light logo yet. So now you can select a logo for both. Our brand color. So I'm guessing if you're switching to the quick theme, it is because the bright colors actually really appeal to you. And because quick has this very bright color and then black text on a bright color, I'd suggest that you use one of the colors that work really well with this contrast. So for that, the easiest way is actually to go into your branding tab. And then if you want the default yellow, so the one that you might have seen on the demo website, then you can reset the default color, because instead of using the default Omni color, it will become the default quick color. Or you can use the drop down and select one of the other available colors here. So let's reset this, confirm, and now we switched to the yellow, to the quick yellow. So let's go back to our site wizard. So this is now our new brand color. And now we have to change a header. Now, as you could see on the website, we didn't have the header that we wanted anymore, or we didn't have our Omni header anymore. Now, this is up to you. You can either start from scratch again and recreate your header. But I know that a lot of you spend quite a bit of time creating the header, make it look good, link up all the pages, and so on. So if you want to keep the header from the Omni theme, that is actually possible. So you can go in here, and if you scroll down, you will see that you have saved header section. And here, the default header for Omni is the one that you can pick, which was the header that you had on your website before. Now, obviously, the color changed because we switched from the red to the yellow. So that is something that you might want to update, or maybe update the text on this button to make it more readable. But all the rest is there, your pages are there, and all the links will work. All right. Now, for the homepage. So this is very, very important, because for the homepage, I imagine that you spend quite a bit of time actually editing your homepage, making sure that the content was good, and so on. The thing is, if you load a new pre-designed homepage, then you will lose all the content that was on your homepage. So I'm guessing that that is not something you want to do. In which case, you can just keep your existing homepage and then go to number 6. So just don't click on anything, don't choose anything, keep your existing homepage, and then click here on the single blog post. Now, of course, if you want to change your homepage, you can go into the templates, select a template, and the moment that you select this template, you will be prompted to ask, like, are you sure? Do you want to delete your homepage? Do you want to replace your homepage? Because that is what's happening. It takes this same page and it replaces it with a new template. So you are losing your content. So again, I don't think that is what you'll want to do. I will show you in a little bit how you can still use one of the templates and then set it as your homepage later. But for now, I'm suggesting to skip this step and to go to our single blog post. So let's pick the one that we like most. And then for our blog list, let's do the same. So I really like this layout here. And for our pages, so we had like this boxed page. We could go with a boxed page again, or we can go with something simple. So let's take this one. And then for our menu, because we used the header that was already set up with a custom menu, I'm not going to activate any menus. I'm just going to continue without choosing a menu. All right. So now let's see what our website looks like. So as you can see now, we have our header again. So, and this one is working. Now our homepage, everything is still there, the content is still there, and the color changed from our Omni red to the yellow. So there might be some places where we want to update something. So maybe we want to change like the text on this button and so on. But all in all, the page is still very usable and still designed the way you wanted to. And if you didn't use theme colors, then this will all still be the color that you actually chose. Our blog list. So this is our new blog list now. So we can see here we have a bottom section that we will want to link up, because at the moment this is not attached to anything. And then this is our blog post now. Yeah, so this looks pretty good. Now we probably want to do some tweaking, right? So from here, we go into our templates, and then we can go into our default post template, and we can do things like delete the author or delete the share buttons, or maybe this author box, you don't want to show it, so you can just delete it. And then the most important thing is that if we use one of these bottom sections with a call to action, we want to make sure that this actually promotes something, that it goes to somewhere, or we can also just hide this bottom section if you don't want to use it on your theme. Now, one thing that is very important to understand is that if you created specific templates, so if you created other templates for blog posts or pages, then these templates will not be available when you switch themes anymore. So any of the templates that are not default templates will not be available, because those templates are created specifically for one theme, and you will have to recreate these when you switch themes. Now, I promised you that I would show you how you could work on your homepage while already having a nice homepage on the front end. And this we can do in just adding a new page. Let's call this new homepage for the moment. And then click on the Launch Thrive Architect button. And from here, choose the pre-built landing page. In the quick theme, you will see the home pages. And here you will be able to select one of the new homepage templates. So let's select this product focused homepage, for example. And now you will be able to edit this page. You can make sure to show your header again if you want to show it. Change all the images, change all the text. When you're happy with it, you can save this one. Now let's make sure when you're happy with it to publish it. And then let's go to our WordPress settings, reading. And from here, we can choose the static homepage, and we will switch this to our new homepage and save the changes. So now when we visit our website, so as you can see now, the new homepage became this new template, but the huge advantage of doing it this way is that your old homepage did not get deleted. So if you go into your website, go to your dashboard, and then in pages, you can see that the generated homepage, which was the homepage that was generated automatically by Ommy, is still here. So we can still view this. And as you can see, this is still on the website. So rather than using the wizard in which we would replace the homepage with the template and so overwrite the homepage with the template, we can do it this way, skip the homepage first, and then create this new landing page the way I showed you, and then use our WordPress settings to change. Now, I hope that this gave you a clear overview of what will happen when you change from one companion theme to another and what will be impacted when you do that. Now, once you're ready, don't forget to deactivate your coming soon mode. So just click on deactivate so that people will be able to see your brand new website again. Now, I hope this was helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate, leave them in the comments below or contact our support team and they will be more than happy to help you out.